Auto Pass, a 12-inch block. Here's the block in gray tones. And here is the diagram. It's virtually all half square triangles, 4 flying geese, and 4 squares. And here's what it looks like when you put 4 together of the same fabrics and the same placement. And here's what it looks like with different fabrics and sewn block to block. We are going to be making the green one today. Here are the patches. There are 3. And if you have AccuQuilt, you can use your 8-inch cube for this. The first patch A is a 2-inch finished square. We'll cut them at 2.5 inches. We need 2 of the light fabric and 2 of the medium fabric. Patch B is a half square triangle 2-inch finished. We'll cut these squares at 2 7/8 inches. Cut them in half once diagonally to get 2 patches. We'll need 32 patches for the background fabric and 12 patches for the medium fabric and 12 patches for the light fabric. Patch C is a 4-inch finished quarter square triangle. We'll cut 1 square that's 5 1/4 inches. Cut it in half diagonally twice to get your 4 patches. And that's what you need of the dark fabric. These will be the geese portion of the flying geese. Here are the fabrics I've chosen. The background is white, tone on tone. Here is the light fabric, the medium fabric, and the dark fabric. Here are your patch A's, and these are used in the corners, the 4 corners of the block. Here are your half square triangles, background, light fabric, and medium fabric. And here's what they look like. We're just going to sew the 2 triangles together to get a half square triangle. And we'll need 12 of these and 12 of these. Then these are pressed open. We're going to sew 2 patch B's, 1 to either side of the patch C flying geese unit. And I always sew one side first, then press this, then sew the other side. And this is what your flying geese looks like. Now I'll go finish the flying geese and all the half square triangles, and we'll put the block together. All right, we have all of our units are sewn together. Now we'll just follow the diagram here and put the block together. Is all laid out. We'll piece it now. Thanks for watching.